manage and pay invoices, create and edit users, and access billing and usage reports with the LexisNexis Account Center. LexisNexis Account Center, or LNAC, is available to an account administrator and can be accessed one of two ways. After logging into your research product, click on the down arrow to the right of your ID and select the link for LexisNexis Account Center. Or by entering this URL into a browser. Use the same ID and password for LNAC as for your product subscription. Once you're in, you're ready to manage your account. Questions? Access the LNAC Support Center for helpful articles and to view other feature videos by clicking on the home page and selecting Support Center from the support box in the lower right.